Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about the versatility of wooden crafts ideas in modern living spaces by showing you more than 80 different wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The versatility of wooden crafts in modern living spaces is a testament to the timeless appeal and adaptability of this natural material, offering a multitude of creative solutions that cater to the evolving needs of contemporary lifestyles. In an age where multifunctionality and design aesthetics are paramount, wooden crafts stand out as both practical and beautiful, enhancing both utility and visual appeal in various environments. This versatility is not merely about the physical properties of wood, it encompasses the ability of artisans to innovate and reinterpret traditional techniques to create items that resonate with today's sensibilities. From furniture to decorative accents, wooden crafts can seamlessly integrate into different spaces, providing functional solutions while also serving as artistic expressions that reflect personal style and values. One of the defining aspects of wooden crafts in modern living spaces is their capacity to serve multiple purposes. In smaller homes or apartments where space is often at a premium, the demand for items that can adapt to various functions is ever increasing. Consider a handcrafted wooden coffee table that doubles as a storage unit. It provides a stylish surface for drinks and snacks while also offering a hidden compartment for magazines, remote controls, or even blankets. This dual functionality not only maximizes space but also minimizes clutter, allowing homeowners to maintain a tidy and organized environment. Similarly, wooden benches can serve as both seating and storage solutions in entryways, providing a practical place to sit while also offering a convenient spot to stow away shoes, bags, or seasonal items. Such designs exemplify the harmony between form and function, illustrating how wooden crafts can enhance the livability of modern spaces. Moreover, the adaptability of wooden crafts extends to their aesthetic appeal, allowing them to complement a wide range of design styles. Whether one prefers a minimalist, Scandinavian-inspired interior or a more eclectic, bohemian aesthetic, wooden items can be tailored to fit seamlessly into the overall decor. The natural beauty of wood, with its rich textures and warm tones, adds depth and character to any space, while its versatility allows for various finishes and treatments that can align with different design philosophies. For instance, a sleek, contemporary wooden dining table with clean lines can serve as the centerpiece of a modern kitchen, while a rustic, reclaimed wood table can evoke a sense of history and warmth in a farmhouse-style dining area. This ability to adapt to different aesthetics makes wooden crafts an ideal choice for homeowners looking to create a cohesive and personalized living environment. The craftsmanship involved in creating wooden items also plays a crucial role in their versatility. Artisans often employ a range of techniques, from traditional joinery methods to modern CNC machining, to produce pieces that are both functional and visually striking. This diversity in craftsmanship enables the creation of unique designs that can cater to specific needs and preferences. For instance, a custom-built shelving unit can be designed to fit perfectly into an awkward corner, making use of otherwise wasted space while also providing a beautiful display for books and decor. This level of customization is particularly valued in modern living spaces, where cookie-cutter solutions often fall short in meeting the diverse demands of homeowners. In addition to furniture and storage solutions, wooden crafts can also enhance the ambience of modern living spaces through decorative elements. Wall art, sculptures, and accessories crafted from wood can add warmth and personality to a room, transforming it from a mere functional area into a curated space that reflects the homeowner's individuality. A large wooden wall hanging can serve as a striking focal point in a living room, drawing the eye and sparking conversation, while smaller wooden accents, such as picture frames or candle holders, can introduce subtle touches of nature throughout the home. These decorative pieces not only enhance the visual appeal of a space, but also foster a sense of connection to the natural world, which is increasingly sought after in today's urban environments. The sustainability of wooden crafts further underscores their versatility in modern living spaces. As society becomes more environmentally conscious, the demand for sustainable and ethically sourced materials is on the rise. Artisans who prioritize responsible practices often use reclaimed wood or timber from sustainably managed forests, thereby reducing the environmental impact of their crafts. These materials not only possess unique character and history but also resonate with homeowners who wish to make mindful choices about the items they bring into their homes. A beautifully crafted piece made from reclaimed wood not only serves a functional purpose, but also tells a story of renewal and resourcefulness, aligning with the values of those who appreciate sustainable living. This focus on sustainability enhances the versatility of wooden crafts, allowing them to meet the needs of modern consumers who seek both beauty and responsibility in their purchasing decisions. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The emotional connection that wooden crafts foster is another significant aspect of their versatility in living spaces. Each handcrafted item carries with it the artisan's personal touch and story, creating a sense of intimacy that mass-produced items often lack. When individuals incorporate wooden crafts into their homes, they are not just acquiring objects, they are inviting narratives and memories into their living spaces. A dining table that has been lovingly crafted can become the setting for countless family gatherings, celebrations, and conversations, infusing the home with a sense of history and belonging. This emotional resonance is particularly important in modern living spaces, where the focus is increasingly on creating environments that nurture well-being and connection. The presence of wooden crafts can enhance this sense of home, reminding individuals of the importance of relationships and shared experiences. The community aspect of wooden crafts also contributes to their versatility in living spaces. Many artisans operate within local networks, sourcing materials and sharing techniques that reflect regional traditions. This emphasis on community not only supports local economies, but also fosters a sense of connection among artisans and consumers. When individuals choose to invest in handcrafted wooden items, they become part of a narrative that values craftsmanship, sustainability, and creativity. This sense of belonging enhances the overall experience of incorporating wooden crafts into living spaces, as homeowners appreciate the stories behind the items they bring into their homes. In addition to their practical advantages, wooden crafts can also serve as a source of inspiration and creativity within living spaces. The presence of handcrafted items can encourage individuals to engage in their own creative pursuits, whether it be through arts and crafts, home improvement projects, or simply appreciating the beauty of well-crafted items. This inspiration can foster a culture of creativity and innovation within the home, empowering individuals to explore their artistic inclinations and express themselves through their living environments. The versatility of wooden crafts thus extends beyond their physical presence, encouraging a mindset that values creativity and exploration in everyday life. Moreover, the timeless nature of wood ensures that wooden crafts remain relevant and appealing in a rapidly changing world. While trends may come and go, the beauty and warmth of wood endure, making it a reliable choice for homeowners seeking to create lasting value in their living spaces. The ability of wooden crafts to transcend fleeting trends speaks to their versatility, allowing them to adapt to changing tastes while maintaining their fundamental appeal. This enduring relevance ensures that wooden items can be cherished for years to come, becoming integral parts of the home that evoke fond memories and a sense of continuity. The versatility of wooden crafts in modern living spaces is multifaceted, encompassing functionality, aesthetic appeal, emotional connection, and sustainability. As homeowners seek to create environments that reflect their personal styles and values, wooden crafts offer a wealth of options that can enhance both utility and beauty. The ability to serve multiple purposes, adapt to various design styles, and foster a sense of community makes wooden crafts an ideal choice for contemporary living. By incorporating these handcrafted items into their homes, individuals not only enrich their living spaces, but also celebrate the artistry and craftsmanship that define the world of woodworking. Ultimately, wooden crafts invite us to appreciate the beauty of nature while creating functional, meaningful, and inspiring environments that reflect the essence of modern life. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.